Hello everyone, myself Sakshi. We have completed 8.1. Now I am going to discuss the concept for 8.2. Here we will make a table. Here is angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. ये कुछ पर्टिकुलर एंगल्स हैं जिनकी वैल्यूज़ हमको ज़रूरत पड़ती है और हियर में राइट द सीक्वेंस साइन कॉस टैन कॉट सेक कॉसेक क्लियर। अच्छा, 0 to 1 के बीच के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं? जैसे 0 के बाद में 1/4 आता है, देन हाफ, देन 3/4 एंड देन 1। सो बेसिकली इस तरीके से हम 1 के टुकड़े कह सकते हैं। तो फॉर द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ साइन थीटा इन विच साइन 0 हमने यहाँ लिख दिया 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 एंड 1। सो फॉर द साइन 0 रूट करेंगे 0 का 0, रूट ऑफ 1/4 1/2, root of 1/2 1/√2, root of 3/4 √3/2 and root of 1 is 1. From this way we can find the values of sine. Okay, now for the cos you have to do reciprocal. What you have to do? Reciprocal. 1 √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2 and 0. Clear? Okay, now you have to learn that the tan is equals to sine upon cos. What? Tan is equals to sine upon cos. So 0 divided by 1, it's 0. 1/2 divided by √3/2, it's 1/√3. 1/√2 divided by 1/√2, 1. √3 divided by 1 or 1 divided by 0 is not defined, so we can write infinity or not defined. तो मैं infinity का सिंबल बना रही हूँ, it's 8 horizontally 8, इसको infinity कहते हैं, it's not defined. Now come to the cot. वैल्यू ऑफ cot क्या करेंगे? जैसे cos का किया था वैसे tan का. So it will be the infinity √3/1, 1, 1/√3 and 0. Now for the value of sec. For the value of sec is basically the reciprocal of, sec is a reciprocal of cos. What is this? Sec is a reciprocal of cos. Clear? तो डिवाइड करेंगे 1 में cos की वैल्यूज़ का. So we will divide the values of cos into 1. So 1 divided by 1, it's 1. 1 divided by √3/2, it's 2 root by 3. 2 by √3, it's √2/1. Reciprocal करना 2 upon 1 and 1 divided by 0, it's infinity, not defined. For the values of cos sec, infinity, 2/1, basically 2, √2/1, यहाँ 2 by √3 and 1. Again I am explaining it. Sin a की value, for the values of sin a, first of all root the parts of 0 to 1. First 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1, it's all are the parts of 0 to 1. ठीक है, it's a rational number, we can say basically parts of 0 to 1. So sin a for a root of 0, 0, for 30 root of 1/4, it's 1/2, root of 1/2, 1/√2, 3/4, root of 3/4, √3/2 and 1, root of 1 is 1. cos की वैल्यू के लिए जस्ट बैक 1, 1, √3/2, √3/2, 1/√2, 1/√2, 1/2, 1/2, 0, 0. For the tan, sine upon cos, you have to learn sine upon cos. 0 divided by 1, 0, 1/2 divided by √3/2, 1/√3, इनमें इनका डिवाइड 1, √3/2 divided by 1/2, √3/1, 1 divided by 0, it's not defined, so infinity. Then cot a, for cot a again simply infinity root 3 by 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. For sec A, sec is basically reciprocal of cos. So 1 divided by 1, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1, 2 by 1 and 1 by 0, that is infinity not defined. Cosec infinity 2 by 1, root 3, root 2 by 1, 2 by root 3 and 1. Question number 6, that is the example number 6. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 5 cm, ACB is given as a 30 degree. You have to find the length of BC and AC. BC is the base of triangle and AC is the hypotenuse. You know what? For the base and for the hypotenuse, we have perpendicular. So for perpendicular, what is the formula for the perpendicular? You know, sine 30. Sine theta. Sine theta is equals to what? Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Yes. Okay. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Or tan theta. Yes. Tan theta. First of all, sine theta ले लेते हैं. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here theta is 30. So sine 30 is equals to perpendicular as phi. Hypotenuse is not given. We have to find the AC. Sine 30, the value of sine 30 is half. ठीक है, the half is equals to 5 upon AC. So AC is cross multiply is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the BC. You know the cos theta. Cos theta is B by H. So cos 30 is equals to BC. Hypotenuse we know that is 10. Cos 30, value of cos 30 root 3 by 2 equals to BC upon 10. Cross multiplication, root 3 by 2 into 10 equals to BC. So 5 root 3 centimeter is equals to BC. Clear? Now come to the question number or example number 7. In example number 7, triangle PQR is given. Right angle is at Q. PQ is 3 centimeter and PR is 6 centimeter. You have to find the QPR and PRQ angles. Okay, so you know sine 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equals to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 6. So sine theta is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 sine theta में किसकी वैल्यू पे आता है? You know that 0, 1 by 4, so 30. So from this way you can find, so theta is equals to 30. Clear? And theta is equals to 30. तो यहाँ पर theta we will discuss about this because we are considering this is a perpendicular and this is the base. So we have to find the PRQ is equals to 30 degree. PRQ, QPR. For QPR, cos theta. Okay, cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Clear? Now cos theta, it means you have to take the P. So we are taking the cos P. Is base for this is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. So cos P is equals to 3 upon 6 and it's a half. So value of P will be, it will be 60. So we can cite QPR is equals to 60. Answer. Clear? Example number 8. This one is very important and easy question. Here it is given that sine A minus B is equals to half, and for which angle the value the value of sine theta is equals to half. So here theta is equals to 30. Clear? In that another portion, cos a plus b is equals to half. For what value of theta the cos is equals to half? It for the 60. It's equation 1. Equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. A minus b plus a plus b is equals to 90. So 2a is equals to t. A is equals to 45. Clear? Now put in equation 1. You can put in 1 and 2. A minus b equals to 30. Put the value of a. 45 minus b equals to 30. So b will be equals to 15 degree. Or this equation is also satisfied that a is greater than b. A, yes, we get a 45 and b is less than a, so a is greater than b, and a and b, the sum of ab is less than 90. It's also defined that sum of ab is also less than 90, so it's clear. Okay, if you have any problem, please comment, and if you like it, if it is informative for you, if it is fruitful for you, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In next video we will discuss 8.2. Thank you.